The American Express Platinum Card offers an incredible $200 airline fee credit annually, reimbursing you for incidental airline charges from your selected eligible airline. First, you need to select your preferred airline, log into your Amex online account, navigate to the benefits section, and find the airline fee credit. You'll see a list of eligible airlines like Delta, United, and American Airlines. Choose the airline you use most frequently for incidental purchases, as this selection can only be changed once per year and not during the same calendar year. Once your airline is selected, it's time to make eligible purchases. This credit is designed for incidental fees, not airfare itself. Think baggage fees, in-flight food and beverages, seat upgrades, airport lounge access you pay for directly with the airline, or even Wi-Fi on board. For example, if you check a bag and it costs $30, pay with your Platinum Card. If you buy a snack box for $10 on your flight, use your Platinum Card again. These smaller charges add up. The reimbursement process is automatic and straightforward after you make an eligible purchase with your Amex Platinum Card on your selected airline. Amex typically detects it as an incidental fee. You'll usually see the credit applied to your statement within 24 weeks of the purchase posting. It appears as a statement credit, offsetting the charge, effectively giving you that money back up to the $200 annual limit. To maximize this benefit, plan ahead for your travel. If you know you'll be checking bags or want to splurge on a comfortable seat, make sure those purchases are charged directly by your selected airline and paid with your Platinum Card. Remember, this credit resets every calendar year. So if you haven't used your full $200 by December, try to use it up for any upcoming travel plans or consider gift cards from your chosen airline for future eligible purchases, although terms and conditions can vary on these. With smart planning, the Amex Platinum Airline fee credit significantly enhances your travel experience, transforming those small annoyances into savings. Enjoy your journey.